Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at $1,000 trading opportunity for boom and crash. Okay, we'll be looking at $1,000 trading opportunity for boom and crash. So if you have been looking for a way to make money on boom and crash, then you need to watch this video to the very end, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can achieve this easily. Okay, so before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. So take your time and watch some of my video clips and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, and also if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you have any question about my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, like I said, we'll be looking at $1,000 trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, for a while we've been discussing on jump 75. This time around we want to look at some in-depth strategy that we can take advantage of whenever we are trading boom and crash. Okay, so I'm going to, sorry, I need a plain sheet here. Okay, so this is what we will be considering whenever we are trading boom and crash. Okay, the first thing we'll be considering is the trend. Okay, if you truly want to achieve $1,000 trading it, okay, you should consider, or probably don't let me use the word $1,000, because that also, there are a lot of things attached to that $1,000 profit making trading boom and crash. Okay, you need to consider your trading capital. You also need to consider the lot size you use, and before you now consider other things. Okay, so all these are very vital. Okay, so these are the other things that you should consider in trading that has to do with trading. Okay, the first thing is the trend. Okay, you need to be very sure of the trend. Once you are sure of the trend, then be rest assured that you can trade for a very long time. You can be in the market for a very long time once you are sure of the trend. Even if you go into the market, even if you are trading spikes and boom, I mean boom and crash. Okay, even if you are trading boom and crash and you are very sure of the trend, you know, boom and crash due to the sudden spikes that happened right there. Okay, and you are still sure of the trend, then definitely you can hold on to your order till it gets to the destination, which is your take profit. Okay, without any hiccups. Okay, but it is just because we are not sure of the trend and the spike happens suddenly, that is why we lose our money in most cases. So after being sure of the trend, the next thing you should look out for is the support and resistance level, S and R. Okay, S and R. So once you are sure of the support and resistance level, then you are good to go. So once you are sure of the support and the resistance level, then the next thing you should look out for is your entry point. So your support and resistance level will help you to identify your entry point and your exit point. All these are very important, because this will help you to know if there will be a breakout or there will be a reversal in price action. All this can easily be done if you are good with your technical analysis. If there is going to be a breakout, if you are good with your technical analysis, you will know right from the candle formation, from the last candle formation. And if there won't be a breakout, you will definitely know. Okay, so all these are very important in order for you to trade successfully. So I'm going to put it here as your entry point and your exit point. Okay, points. So all these are very important for you to have a successful trading journey, then you should, like I said, you must have considered your trading capital and your lot size. Check out if your trading capital is working well with your lot size. Okay, if your lot size is good enough for your trading capital to control. If not, then you can be in the risk of losing your money. Okay, so let's go straight to the trading platform so that we will see how it works. Okay, so that we will see how it works. Okay guys, this is our trading platform, and this is Boom 500, and I'm going to be using this to do our analysis. And on this chart I have a very good indicator that is giving us in clear terms everything that we need to know in order to trade successfully. Everything that I have highlighted on the Jamboard. Okay, these are the things that this indicator will be giving to us. We have the trend indicator right here. We have the support and resistance levels. That is the indicator telling us the support and resistance level. It also gives us the measurements, how strong. It helps us to know how strong the support and resistance levels are. So all these are very, very important. So based on that, we can easily say that we will be having our what's it called, our arrow popping out. We can easily say that right here is our entry point, and we can also know our exit point with that. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So quickly, I'm going to brief you on how to go about it. First of all, I want you to have this indicator on your chart, probably your demo account, so that we can do the analysis together. Okay, so right now you can have it on 5-minute time frame. Okay, on your 5-minute time frame, right from here we will be getting our entry point for a sell signal, which means this sell signal must be in line with our trend signal. Okay, that is very, very important. So let me quickly go there. Your trend and your entry point must be in line together. Okay, which means your trade signal must support the trend signal. So this is very, very important. Okay guys, I'm giving you these tips so that you will understand how to go about it. This will help you to trade for a very long time, especially if you are having a good trading capital. So right here, if we are to take sell, definitely our trend signal must be in downtrend. So you can come in right here. This is our trend. When it changed from uptrend to downtrend, you can see it was an uptrend before. That is why this was going up, but right now it has gotten to a point whereby it will be going on a downtrend. That is why the trend is giving us the signal here, and we got our sell signal right here. So your entry point should be right here. Okay, even though after getting the entry point signal, it still went up a bit, but check it out, not quite long from there it started going down. Okay, so this is our entry point. Okay, let me change the color so that we won't be having too much of red colors on the screen. So I'm going to change it to a brighter color so that we will get to see it right from afar. Okay, this is our entry point signal. That is where we have, we should be entering into this trade. But check it out, this actually went down for a very long time. Okay, it went down from here. This is 5-minute time frame. You can see to this level. Okay, this actually gave us 96 bars, and it's still going down until it changed the direction of the trend. This is when the direction of the trend is changing, and that is where we should have our exit. We should be having our exit. Okay, right here. Okay, we should be exiting the market right from there. So let's check it out. This is our entry point. This must be a very long trade. Okay, this is our entry point, and this should be the exit point for the trend trading. Okay, so if you have been trading it right from the beginning of the trend, you can be in the market till the very end of the trend. If you should do the calculation, this should be more than a day. Okay, it should be more than a day. Let's try and do some calculation. This is our entry point. It didn't go into profit immediately, but later on went into profit. Okay, this actually gave us 110 bars. Okay, let's do the calculation. 110 candles. That is not the old candles created for the trend. I only divided it into two. Okay, 110 times 5. Okay, that is 550 minutes. Okay, so that is it. Now multiply that by 2. Okay, that will give you the total amount. Okay, approximately we got about 1,100 minutes. Divide that. Okay, or let's do the multiplication. I'll multiply that by okay, first of all, let me divide it by 60 to know the number of hours spent in the market. That is 18 hours. Okay, so that is almost 24 hours. That is amazing, right? So let's go back to 1 minutes, 1,100 minutes. Let's say we are getting $2 or probably 50 cents. Let me use 50 cents per minute. 50 cents per minute times 0.5. Okay, this will be giving you $550. That is amazing, right? $550. And let's say you now have this on different charts. Okay, you have it on boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500, and you are making money like this, then definitely you will be eating over $2,000 at the end of the day if you are using a reasonable lot size that is good enough for your trading capital. And let's say we decided to use a lot size that will give us $2 per minute. Okay, that is times 2. That is already giving us over $2,000. So if you guys are surprised with the way I'm making over $1,000, $2,000, sometimes $4,000 per trade, then this is what I do. Okay, this is my simple secret. There is no other secret anywhere. The only secret I am relying on is my technical know-how on the chart, which the indicator is assisting me with. Okay, all I just need to do is just to analyze the market using the indicator. Personally, without the indicator, you can also do your analysis if you are very good with your technical analysis. All you just need to do is just to understand the trend of the market. If you are able to identify the trend of the market when the trend is changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, or from a downtrend to an uptrend, then definitely you are good to go. Another thing you should be able to check out is to know your support and resistance level. Once you know your resistance, your support and resistance level, then you will be able to identify your entry point and your exit point, and with this you can easily trade successfully. But if you cannot do your analysis based on this, that is where the custom made indicator comes in. Okay, and that is how you can use it to trade this particular asset, boom and crash, successfully. Guys, I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.